Okay, so I want to explain real quick what a cash for keys is. And a cash for keys is where the bank or the servicer will offer the occupants money to move out of the property. In other words, they get to skip the eviction process and not go through the eviction process, which saves them a lot of time and it saves them a lot of money in attorney fees and court costs by offering the tenants just a check to move out by whatever date it is. Normally it's going to be, let's say, 30 days for a couple $1,000. Now, this particular property, the bank was only wanting to offer initially these occupants $1,000 to move out in 30 days. But after I did a lot of complaining and a lot of bitching, moaning, and begging for them to try, to up the money for these people, they really needed the help. They really needed this help. This couple, the gentleman's 82 years old. His wife's in her 80s. Okay, they're not spring chickens. And unfortunately, this house is in really bad condition. And this situation was really, and I talked to him long and hard about it, was the best thing that could happen to him. Because he got him out of the house, which, like I said, is becoming a major safety issue. Because you're going to see in these videos, the roof's in really bad shape. A lot of the flooring in the add-on part of the house, which is off grade, is all rotted out, and you can fall through a lot of the spots. So it's just a death trap for these people. So I'm glad they were able to get out. I'm glad they were able to get a decent check. And the only stipulation for a cash for keys for the occupants, they must leave the home in broom-swept condition. Okay, they don't have to fix anything. I tell, I've done thousands of these over the 20-something years. I tell all the occupants, you don't have to fix anything. You don't have to replace anything. All you have to do is leave the home in broom-swept condition. In other words, as long as the seller doesn't have to spend any money to have any debris removed, garbage hauled off, furniture removed, if they don't have to pay any trash out fees and that kind of stuff, then you get the check. And that's it. It's that simple. And it's a win-win for everybody involved. So if you have any questions about this process or anything else about foreclosures or real estate, leave them in the comments below. I'll be glad to answer. As always, I really appreciate it. Thanks. Have a great day.
I got the 3 keys here. They all fit that lock right there.
That's not a problem. But you're good to go. That's all you had to do. Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
That's cleaner than I would have left it.
Well, you got sisters like I do. They believe in cleaning now.
Well, I wish more people did.
They clean the carpets and all.
Oh yeah, you're good.
Mm-hmm.
You're in good deal.
Yeah.
So is this a 3-bedroom? What is it exactly?
3-bedroom.
3 bedrooms? Is it 2 bath? I can't.
And this was a little office, but the floor is messed up in there.
Oh, that's no
But
problem.
that was office space.
That's okay.
Mm-hmm.
This bank, they'll just sell it as is. They won't even put any money into it, so it ain't no big deal. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's good enough for me. Like I said, you did all you needed to do.
Yeah, my sister said, we gonna get it clean. I don't play like that.
Well, that's great. I wish, like I said, more people.
No, not clean.
Now, what about the bed?
Just bed and the refrigerator and stove was in here when I come in here.
Man, I tell you what, let me think about this.
So I left it just like it was when I come in here.
Well, man, I wish, I might need to.
There's some more furniture in here. We got it all out because it wasn't here. But this bed, the stove, and the refrigerator was here when I moved in.
Well, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll pull it out back or something so I can get my photos.
Oh, okay.
And because technically they want this gone too.
Mm-hmm.
Because the trash out crew, they'll have to trash it out.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll move it out back so I can get photos. So
We didn't never use this bed. Never did.
That's no big deal.
And this is the other bed been here.
Oh yeah, like I said,
And this goes on that light. That's one of them big lights, so the globe wouldn't go back on it. That's the globe that goes on that light.
That's no problem. Like I said, that's no problem at all.
Mm-hmm.
So it is a 3-2, okay. So how long have you lived here?
I lived here, I've been here I'd say about 20 years.
Wow, really? Your AC looks kind of, whoa. Oh.
Watch out.
Oh, shoot. Whoops.
I should have told you about that.
Oops. Well, oh my gosh.
That storm that come through here got them. So I never did use them.
Well, shoot. Luckily, I got to
turn the water off so you can't.
That's my luck. That's all right. I got a towel in my truck.
They turned the water and the lights off. Somebody here yesterday and I said, well, not better leave it on the other day. He said, well, we can turn it off.
No.
I guess you better be once you.
Nah, you can turn it all off. Are you getting your trailer?
Yeah, my trailer.
Okay.
I swapped with that guy there.
Okay.
He got my trailer and I'm getting his.
Oh, mackerel. Well, let me give you your checks and you can, and I'll do my picture stuff and we'll be, wow, shoot.
Okay. All right, what do I need to sign? Anything?
You don't need to sign anything.
Okay.
You're good to go.
Okay. Well, look, I think in.
Yes, sir. Well, I appreciate your help and everything else.
To meet you.
Well,
that guy that was just here, I think he's gonna call you one day when he has a little bit more time. He's interested in the place.
Okay.
And I told him you probably know what to do.
Yeah, just tell him to give me a call anytime.
Okay.
Yep, anytime. I'll help him out or whatever. We'll see. You know. Yeah. Well, this seller, they don't spend a nickel on the property. They don't do nothing. They won't fix nothing. They won't spend any money. I mean, all they'll do is prevent anything, like they might tarp a roof or stuff, but even when it makes sense to fix something up, they won't do it. So they don't spend a penny. They just sell them as is, which is a lot of times not the smartest thing to do, but that's the way they do it. So
I heard that.
Well, if you need anything, just let me know.
Okay, well, I'm gonna get my trailer and go.
Okay, sir, I appreciate it.
I gave you the keys.
Yes, sir, I got them right here. Thank you. Wow, I stepped right in that mud. I mean, I hope it's mud. Hope it ain't septic tank, but all right, we'll see.